In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the CapCut template watermark from your videos. If you've ever used a CapCut template and ended with up that annoying watermark, I've got you covered, so let's jump right in. First, open the CapCut app and make sure you're logged in and go to your project or template that you're working with. Now, once you're in a project, you will likely see the watermark that CapCut adds when you use the templates. If you're using a CapCut template, it's usually placed on the top right corner of the video. Now, let's talk about how to get rid of that. Now, to get rid of it, simply tap on Export and go to Save and Share to TikTok. Make sure to load it or export it.
Shining down on me. Tell me if I could stand.
And that's it. That's how you save to album without saving or without having the watermark.